Hi guys, my name is Ahmad Hussein and I'm from TBIC Point. Welcome to my video on understanding exposition and discussion text. Today I'm gonna break down these two crucial text types. We're gonna find out some structures and some highlight some the key of the differences of these two types of text. So enjoy the video. So let's start into exposition text. These texts are pieces of writing that explain something. These texts might tell you about how or why something happened, and even tell you about information on how to do something. Some of exposition text around us is some informational books, recipes, or even a guides or manuals book. I found some references journal that explain a little bit about exposition text definition, and it goes something like this. The purpose of this text itself, it's gonna explain or inform something, and for the structure it typically includes introduction, which contains some general information of the topic, and the body. Number two is the body. Body contains some the why are this topic could happen, and some causes, effects, and even solutions included into the body. Number three is a conclusion, which is that part is gonna sum up the whole point, the main point of the topic, and some languages. I mean, the languages used in the exposition text is a formal and objective languages. This is example of the exposition text that I found out on internet. First, you got a title, and the second, thesis. Same like introduction. This part is explaining why, if the title is homeschooling, why are homeschooling are effect on somebody else. And number two is argument. In argument, you can explain it and find some references or journal, and then write down in your paper, and then argument to argument C contain causes and effect of the homeschooling itself. And then the conclusion, which wrapped up all the topic, the main point of topic, and sum up in the conclusions part. Now let's move on to discussion text. Discussion text is used to present and consider about different viewpoints of an issue. The goal is to explore various perspectives and arguments before reaching the conclusion. Discussion text is a text which presents a problematic discourse. This problem will be discussed from different points of view. It presents pro and contra opinion on certain issue. Based on explanation before, we can conclude that discussion text is a text that have two points of view, which the number one point of view is the pro argument, number two is a contra argument. So if you wanna make a discussion text, make sure that you have a pro sides and contra sides. to make your discussion text perfect. So for the purpose of the discussion text is to find different sides of an issue. So basically its discussion text is to present different opinions on particular topic or issue issue argument for and against, bad and good, and positive and negative. Is the something like that become the purpose of the discussion text. For the generic structure of the discussion text itself, there is a three generic structure, such as number one is introduction, contains a preview about something or issue that you wanna bring. And number two is the supporting argument or pros argument, which after stating an issue, we need a support argument, at least one or two, to agree with your issue. Number three is contrastive argument. Besides the supporting arguments, it's necessary to write down the contrastive argument to state the issue. And number three is the conclusion or recommendation. This part is tell us to use how to solve the problem that we brought by connecting argument for and against to find the solution. And for the language features, a discussion text is often using a simple present tense, using a conjunction, using adverbial clause, adverb of manner, and so on. This is example of the discussion text. There is a title, introduction, why our remote work are exists, and pros argument why our remote work is beneficial for somebody. And number three is cons argument, which is in cons argument state that there is the negative effects besides the pros argument. And the conclusion, again, it wrapped up all the main point and find the solution based on pros argument and cons argument and give a recommendation. So that's all from me. So I want to say thank you. Thanks for watching my videos and goodbye. See you in other circumstances. Peace.